I am about to expose the credit repair industry. Well, I'm about to expose 99% of the credit repair industry. Now, you're probably wondering what this guy is doing on my screen, and there's a reason. Well, there's a couple reasons why he's on my screen. These are the type of people that are doing the actual work for your current credit repair company, and they make anywhere from $3 to $6 an hour. So let's just say you're with a company for 12 months. That guy only made $72 because they can do the work usually in less than an hour, so they're really only making about $36. It takes them about 30 minutes. Some of them can do it in 15 minutes. It just depends on the type of template that they are using. Now, I'm going to show you a video of the guy that's on the screen and the methods that he uses and why they get good results, because they do get good results. But the reason they get good results is they use the FTC. And as you'll be able to see in the next video clip, that's exactly one of the methods that they use. CFPB, BBB, they've added Attorney General's office because, well, we added it, which we don't do it no more, because the attorneys are telling us do not file complaints on your client's behalf. That is a big no-no, and the FTC is about to crack down on that. The other thing, these same people, you can literally go to Upwork.com and hire them yourself if you trust giving your personal information to somebody in another country. I highly recommend not doing it, but hey, it's your money and your personal information. But the company that rhymes with cynical, Mr. Vietnam, this is his #1 worker. He is sending your information. He is telling you that I'm doing work illegally by sending people your personal information. My employees see your personal information. These are professionals. These are attorneys, not some Indian, and I have nothing against Indians, in another country who are taking your information and then selling it because they're not making a decent wage. And the sun's like super bright. I'm not sure how well y'all can see that. It's about to blind me now. But I just wanted to expose this about 99% of credit repair companies, because they charge you all this money and they are barely paying anything to have the work done. If you're brave enough to pay somebody thousands of dollars so they can send your information to India and these other countries, why not hire these people yourself from Upwork.com and pay them $6 an hour? You're going to get the same exact service and the same exact results. Y'all check this video out. All right, so this is Tanmay. He is in India. And it's funny because he says he does CFPB, BBB, FTC, and now recently added Attorney General office. Guess who else used to do that, which I don't know more. So obviously that's where the idea come from. But the main issue here is when you work with the scammer in Vietnam, we'll call him Mr. Vietnam. Company rhymes with cynical. He is sending your information to another country. Back office. Who else talks about a back office with the bureaus? Anyway, we don't send your information to other countries. These people make $6 an hour. It says it right here, $6 an hour. So this scammer is charging you anywhere from $1,500 to, he says, $20,000, and then paying this guy $6 an hour. What makes you think he's not going to sell your personal information to actually make a decent wage? Y'all got to be careful with who you sign up with, because I'm telling you, somebody can call me a scam all they want to, but the people that see my client's personal information, they actually work for me, and most of them are attorneys. Now, do you want people in the States and attorneys working on your stuff, or some guy in India who's going to sell your personal information? All right, so the sun was a little too bright, so I had to move. But as you can see, you are paying these companies, specifically Mr. Vietnam and others, thousands of dollars when you can either do the work yourself or hire a legitimate company who is in the United States, not in another country. Or again, if you're brave enough, just go to Upwork and hire these people yourself. It's your personal information if you trust them with it, but I'm telling you, these people sell your personal information. You think they can live off of $6 an hour? No, but if they're selling your personal information, they can definitely live off of that. They use the FTC, which is a big no-no. That is illegal. Credit sweeps are a big no-no. So again, this is what 99% of credit repair companies are doing. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.